Dry rot, termite damage, which one do I have? Which one is worse? What causes them? And ultimately, what's the repair? Hey, I'm Craig with Anchor Foundation Repair, and in this video, I'm gonna talk about the differences between dry rot and termite damage, and ultimately what a repair looks like. This little project right here is a very small room in a guest cabin at a nice home here in College Station, Texas. What started as just the idea that there were termites, right through here, the homeowner saw these coming up the baseboard and they turned the corner and they started chewing right and they started chewing left. They saw that and thought, we got to get to the bottom of this. So they took the baseboard off, took the floors off, which were laminate floors, matching the rest of the home. There's the pile of them right there. And then they saw that they also had dry rot. Dry rot looks like this. It's a little bit more of a fungal decay that looks like it's spreading across and just branching out like a tree. And then ultimately in time, it deteriorates the wood. So you get this very brittle feel right here, and you can actually hear it when I just push down with a couple fingers. You can hear that crunching there, and it's just really deteriorating. It almost looks like it's charred or burned, but that's what dry rot looks like. Now, ultimately, dry rot and termite damage are more often than not caused by using the improper material in a crawl space home. A home that doesn't have good ventilation, has poor drainage and challenges on the outside. This one's really built low to the ground. This one's actually laying about 6 inches off the ground, which is right over there, and all that water coming off the hill slopes this direction and runs underneath. And if it doesn't get out fast enough, it's a very inviting environment for dry rot and termite damage. So use the proper material, make sure you got good drainage and or ventilation, and then ultimately repair technique. If you have it and it's this bad, this widespread, you've got to remove and replace all of this. There's no coming in and cutting out a small section and building back. This entire room is gonna have to get rebuilt. And not only the plywood subfloor that we see right here, but also all the joists that are running underneath the subfloor holding this up in place. So dry rot, termite damage, which one is worse? It doesn't matter. They're both gonna do a ton of damage to your home, and we wanna see that avoided. So use the right material, have proper drainage and ventilation around your home, and you can avoid a lot of this mess.